Hi everybody, welcome to another 10-minute tip from the OSINT Curious project with me, Micah Hoffman. Today we're going to be working on some more command line tools, some Linux tools that are not necessarily OSINT facing, but they are OSINT pertaining, OSINT focused, but they are tools that will help you out in your OSINT work. For instance, going back to an example that we have in this directory a huge number, over 30 HTML files, and these HTML files, as we saw in previous videos, they are HTML files, and in there are these table rows. That's the angle bracket tr going to the angle bracket /tr. That's one table row right there, and that's a chat line that somebody has typed into this. Sorry, I just saw the username there. Anyway, it has typed into the ghostscript.com IRC channel. And let's say that you have downloaded this file or gotten your hands on it, and you want to extract all the usernames from it. Now, if we look at this file in Firefox, we're just going to pull it up, and I will show you. Let's see, we're going to pick number 18 because that's what we're on. You can see that right here, we have Ray_laptop, Cryptopsy. Those in the strong formatting, they're bolded. We are looking at those things. So see between the strong tag and this end strong tag within the row, that is what we're looking for. If we can extract just that content, then we can go ahead and get all the users that posted in this day. So let's go ahead and do that. We know that there's some strong tags there, so let's go ahead and run our grep command. We learned about grep in another video. We're going to do grep -o, saying only give us the output. We're going to go for a regular expression, and we're going to type in strong. Say give me any characters. Then we're going to end that strong command, and see what happens on any HTML file. Let's just do start.html. Hey, there we go. Ken's Tor 8. Here's yeah, that seems to have worked. Now, a couple of the problems here is, one, we have the file that it's from. Two, we have the strong on the beginning and strong on the end. Let's go ahead and reduce it. I'm going to show you how to reduce it using that exact same command. And then let's post and take the output of this and push it through some other command line tools like cut. Now, what cut does is it looks at the data on the output as columns. So here, if we look at this data, we can see that we have a column here with the words with angle bracket, strong angle bracket. Then we have the username with some characters. Then we have another column here with angle bracket /strong angle bracket. So we really have 1, 2, 3 columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to strip off the first one, strip off the second one, and then we're going to sort and unique the middle content. So the cut command takes 2 parameters. What field do you want, or fields do you want, and what's the delimiter? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, this is field 1 here, from the angle bracket strong to this angle bracket here. The second angle bracket here, I'm going to say that that's the delimiter. So this would be column 1, and column 2 will be all of the stuff on the end. So I'm going to say I want field 2, and I want a delimiter of that. And what we should get is that first strong stripped off. Now let's do the same thing, but in reverse. We're going to say that the first column is all the characters up to the first angle bracket. So I'm just going to pipe this command into a cut minus field 1. We want the first field, and the delimiter here is that. There we go. So we have the usernames now. Now these usernames, we might want to sort them just to see them more concisely. So we'll just add on the end a pipe to sort. And now we have all that content sorted. Look at all the posts by Tor 8. Wow. I'm scrolling up. There's a lot. What would be helpful, though, is to, instead of having tcampeter and they went ahead and posted X number of times. Maybe we just want to see all the unique names. So deduplicate this list. So instead of having 3 Velenos, we would have 1. And all we do is we add the -u here to the sort, and we have our list of usernames. Here we go. From abstract all the way down. And you can see there may be some false positives in here. Here's Ghostgum, Ghostgum2. We've got Marcos W and Marcos W with an underscore. Ray Laptop with an underscore. So there are some probably false positives in here, but we do have that content. Now the question is how do we send that to a file? How do we create a file out of that? And the answer is simple. Remember those angle brackets that we were stripping out and stuff? We can use those to redirect the output. So I'm going to take all of the output from this entire command here with the greps and the cuts and the sort. And I'm going to say, take all of that and put it into a file called users.txt. And if I look on my system, I should have a users.txt file, which if I more it, there's all our usernames. Cool. So really quick command that we can use to go ahead and grab what we want from a file. Then we can take that information, run it through some cuts, and then sort it, unique it, and send it out to a file. Now with this file, we could go ahead and run a whole bunch of other things on it. Okay. Now, as you have probably figured out, commands like sort and cut, they have a bunch of different switches and flags that you can pass to it, whether you want to sort reverse or sort normally, ignoring the case and doing other stuff like that. Same thing for cut. We have a bunch of different switches and flags we can send it to. There's the -F and the -C. So lots more to learn, but this should get you started on extracting content from files. All right, well, that's all I wanted to talk about right now. Here we reviewed grep, we used sort, cut, and redirected out to a file. So that's all I got for you right now. Please stay OSINT curious, and I'll see you again soon.